Welcome viewers, Dr. JWA, the aging narcissist, when replacement became easier than change. Have you ever noticed someone abandon a long relationship rather than make the changes that might have saved it? By now, the aging narcissist has encountered an uncomfortable problem. The person who knows them best also knows too much. They remember the broken promises, financial irresponsibilities, betrayals, disappearing affection, and endless cycles of temporary improvement. Charm that once reset the relationship no longer works reliably, and apologies are measured against history. Promises are compared with behaviour. A genuine repair carries an unbearable price. Change would require consistency. It would mean accepting responsibility without immediately assigning blame, sharing burdens that were previously left to somebody else, giving up behaviours that provided pleasure, attention, or escape. And most threatening of all, it would require admitting that the partner's withdrawal did not appear from nowhere. It was the aging narcissist's fault. The narcissist helped create it, so another possibility begins looking easier. Replacement. New supply. A new person has no history against which to measure the performance. They have not witnessed 20 years of abandoned resolutions. They do not know which promises have been made before and broken. Attention can feel intoxicating again because the new relationship begins without accumulated evidence. And suddenly the narcissist can become the person they claimed they always were. Generous, attentive, misunderstood, victimized by an ungrateful former partner. The story has been reset, but the underlying problem still remains. The narcissist may believe they've exchanged an unreliable source of future care for a more dependable one, and in reality they've merely transferred the same expectations into a relationship that has not yet had enough time to recognize them. And viewers, somehow, somewhere behind the excitement lies a dangerous calculation. Perhaps this person will remain long enough. Perhaps they will not discover the pattern until dependency has already begun. Because the aging narcissist is running out of something more valuable than admiration. The aging narcissist is running out of, yep, you guessed it, time. And that's why this series, The Aging Narcissist, matters.